Sorry about the shakiness, but that's the Lifelike E6A that I just put a Digitrax Z126 into, and it works. I just wanted to make sure I had it all in the right spot. So I only attached the gray wire and the orange wires to the motor leads, and the black and the red to the pickup. It has a long pickup. My right hand is shaking for something today. It's got a real long pickup along each side for electrical, and you can see where it's just loosely fit in here right now, but it does work. And this is a B unit, so it doesn't have the light on it. So I just cut and wrapped up those the extra 3 wires, but it does work. So I got a couple of A units I got to do. So, but anyway, that's what I've been working on today. So, and here it goes again. It's got a pretty decent little engine. They pull pretty good, and I wanted to have a couple of powered units. So I have an A and B powered, so it runs pretty good. Of course, this one's not going to have sound. So, but anyway, talk to you next time. Bye. Okay, here is the Lifelike E6 that you saw yesterday. And I got the shell back on it, and it's running at speed step 5. So it's got pretty decent control. So, but anyway, that's what it looks like. Bye.